Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Wouldn't it be great to make your laundry day easier? Well, that is totally possible with these awesome laundry detergent strips. These are from SaltyLama and I absolutely love them. So these are a sustainable and earth-friendly way to get your clothes super clean, smelling fresh, and they're so simple to use. So this is how they come. They come in this larger strip, and when you're ready to do your laundry, all you need to do is tear here. They're perforated, so it makes it super simple. You just pull this apart, and this is one load. If you have a really heavily soiled or large load, you can use two. You can even cut these in half if you have a really small load, or maybe if you're just like hand washing a couple of things. So very simple to use. There's no measuring. There's no risk of spilling anything. All you do is pop it into your washing machine and you're good to go. And check out how little space this takes up. So this is 34 loads. And it is just this tiny little envelope. So it's a super space-saving, compact way to have your laundry detergent. It weighs nothing. So if you want to take laundry detergent with you when you're traveling, you can just pop this in your bag, no big deal, and you have it with you when you need it. So I really love that this company is focused on quality because these really do work. They get your clothes nice and clean, they smell fresh, and they just feel amazing when you wear them. I love that these are hypoallergenic and safe for sensitive skin. I love that they totally dissolve completely and that there's no waste. So if you're looking for a laundry detergent that does all that, then I would definitely recommend the SaltyLama, and that's my point of view.